slow movements. You need to rotate this. There you go. All right. Get about 1/8 of an inch out from there and make sure you're paying attention to that point. That's good. Very good. Very good. Getting a little close back here. Okay. There you go. Perfect. Now just hold that down. Hold it down because you don't want to move. All right, over here. Go that way. That's good. That's too much. Keep that held down. Keep going down. Go down. Put that one there. That's good. That's good. Keep going down. Yeah. Hold on. We got a problem. All right. That's good. That's good. Keep going down. Go down. 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 This way. This way. But no, not that much. Keep going. Go. 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 That way. Go down. Down. That way. That way. Hold on. We got a problem. This one done came loose. Stupid thing. Stop, you stupid thing. Alright. Going down. Lower. Go. 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 That's good. Alright, let go. Around the edge on that, that's okay. Don't worry about that, that's good. Okay, let's stop on that. Okay, so we are bracing this airplane, and I'm getting folks started on this. So what we're going to do is, I've got this wire tied off in a loop here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie it off. Hope if you'll go ahead and glue that. I've got this. I don't know where the skewer went. Be very careful reaching over that.
Oh no! Get it?
Let me see real quick. I'm just concerned that there's a little dip in an accelerator and hold it fast or something like that. That's good. Okay, so what we do next is you grab hold of this guy, uncoil your bracing wire. Why I'm shaking all over the place. Hang on a second, honey. And now what you're going to do, since we're going to make one full loop with this, if I can see the invisible wire, there's invisible wire and then there's truly invisible wire. You magician people have nothing on this stuff. So what I'm doing is I'm going slightly over the length all the way back full bay from here across. No, put a piece of tape on it and then snip it. I guess the last time I did this, I did it in reverse order of that. Does the tape ever come off? The tape does eventually come off. Sweet.
It does eventually.
Alright, snap that across there. Alright, 1 second. Alright, slip it on that side. This stuff won't really uncoil, so we can just set it over there. Alright, now what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to drop this on the floor here. I can't even see where it is. Yeah, Yeah, give me a second. I'm trying to deal with a kink in the wire, and you definitely don't want it to kink. Okay, so here you go. If you take this, you can just hold it in your hand, you can slide it across. Watch where that foot is. Alright, so right here. And just hold it lightly and string it across. Alright, now use your other finger to tuck it under that one. Gently. Don't have to hold it real tight. We're going real loose. Less drag even than that. Alright, now take a finger, use your other finger to tuck it under there. Beautiful. Yeah. It's in there. It's in there, honey. Watch. Hold on a second. Gentle. Hold on. Back there.
Okay.
Alright, now I'll use your other. Just hold. No, don't slack. Only here.
Honey, I'm stuck.
I know. There you go. Gentle. Don't pull so tight. Alright, you let go of it now. And we check. We taut. Okay. So that's a complete loop. We're glued here. We're on all of the points. Yes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch places with it. Because I'm going to provide some tension just to take the slack out of it.
Okay.
So what I'm doing, y'all can't see this on camera, what I'm doing is I'm grabbing the end of the wire and I am just very, very gently pulling down on it. To take all the slack out of the wire. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's done. Why am I so stressed out? I don't know why I'm so stressed. Okay, so here, and here.
Okay.
There you go.
Just so you guys know, this is my first time doing this, so.
I'm just disgusted by the fact you're able to carry on a conversation while you're doing this for the first time.
No!
Move that all the way on there. There you go. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Here it is. I've got it. We're fine. I got it. It's in. Come back and put a little more glue on this one because I don't think this one's glued all the way.
Okay. Let me get this one then. Before I knock it again.
Yeah, that was a freak out moment right there. That is what you do not want to happen. Alright, hold this closer to the end so you get better control. That's good. Now let me stick a finger in there and get some of the glue wicked out of it. Perfect. Okay. So, if you were building a like a 65 centimeter F1D, you'd be done bracing at this point. But since that's barely over half the size of this, we get to do the inner ones, which are half span. And typically on a model this size, if you're building really light, you're actually going to have to do it at all of your rib base. Leave more slack than that. Leave more. That's good. No. Okay, that works. Okay, so what we're doing, what she was doing is she was snipping off the excess, and I like to, because it's not going to cause you drag or anything, it's not going to snag on anything, I like to leave about that much, about an inch and a half just dangling. The reason for that is if that wire ever slips loose, that gives you something to be able to try to retension it up, because sometimes you can salvage a wire if that happens. Let's see here. We already went through and we did the other one on the other side. So these are nice and tight. These are actually much better than mine. So clearly I have refined my method, and my wife is a very good student, because that's better than it is on either of the ones that I've braced. Any of the ones I've braced. I've braced 4 airplanes now. 4? Yeah, I think it's 4. Intermediate stick 35 centimeter and 2 unlimiteds. Yeah. Okay. And by the way, you just saw me about do something stupid. Don't put the glue next to the airplane. It's just something to tip over and fall into the bracing wires. If you have not caught on, we're kind of OCD on this type of thing about keeping the workspace basically at the level of a clean room. Okay, grab the bracing wire. If you can't see it, I'll tie a loop on it. Yeah. Here, let me see. I'll tie the loop for you. The lighting in here looks pretty good. For this, it's terrible though. You really need a white background. So what I'm actually using is the frame here to provide that.
You want to do the other side?
No, at this point it doesn't. Once you've got both outers braced, you don't have to alternate on the inners.
No, so that way you can get maybe a little bit more camera frame.
Nah, because then our bodies will be in the way.
Not true.
Okay, so you see you have a knot here. So I'm going to hold this.
Okay.
And what you want to do is grab that on the top and bottom. You got it? And you're going to tie it on that one, so just hold it up against it and gradually. And there's going to kick out and all kinds of annoying crap like that. Is it on?
Pretty sure.
Yep. Good job. The first time I tried doing one of those, the first 5 times I tried doing them, I ended up kicking it off of the thing that I was tying it to. Actually, I think I did that earlier the first time I demoed it for you. Oh, that's good. Hit it with kicker, no tension. Well, actually, you can do it this time. Alright, so what you want to do is grab it here. And hold it against that hole there, and then you don't have to spool it out, you can just drag it out. So right here, is about enough. That's okay. Alright, grab it by the center so that it will freewheel. Hold it gently so it will freewheel. That works. Oh, hey, watch. Hold it like this, real gentle like, and you just spin it out.
Yeah, I don't have enough hands.
Yeah. Alright, we'll want a few more inches. That's good. And shape right here. Caleb, no sir.
George.
I know, it's so sad. It's sad, isn't it? And that went tumbling off, which is what you expect. So take the next post. You're still above it. Go down further. Go down. There you go. Alright, when it's squeaking, that means you're pulling too hard on it, so you need to loosen up on it. Nope. You lost that one. And it came off everything. It's still in your hand.
Oh.
Hang on. So, set this one back in. Oh, in there, silly. Okay, now you gotta come around or it'll slip off. hold on. I've got glue on the, yeah. Alright, less tension.
Right here?
Yes. Alright, no, leave that. Deal with it later. Leave that alone.
Honey, I'm trying to get it out.
I understand, but it's okay where it is. There, you gotta come over this. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Okay. So we're on everything. That looks very nice. Alright, I'm gonna assume my usual station, which is to attempt to tension it. Let's find out. Well, if it's not slipping. Okay. Well, then I guess that means it's good. Piece of cake, right?
Now.
Okay. Okay, you're gonna have to get some glue on the outside one. I don't understand that. My eyes are, no, it's not up against that side. It's like cut into the front of it and stuff. I guess, maybe? I don't know. It's weird. Okay, and here's, I'll take this.
Oh, no, I still gotta do this one.
But give me that skewer. I want the skewer for myself. It's like a blankie or something. I don't know. I ain't got nothing.
Maybe that's just how you need to skewer it.
I want my blankie. There we go. Okay, so now when you cut this one, make sure you only cut that one. It would be so bad. You can go a little further. There, that's good. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna hit stop on the recording because we only got one more and we've been doing this for like forever. Okay. I cannot believe my wife is texting somebody about the plane instead of looking at the plane. Alright, so we've got all our bracing done. Best bracing job ever. Awesome. Hope if you'll go ahead and start pulling pins on your side. Last person still pulling pins has to brace the other person's airplane.
You're bracing your own.
But I don't wanna.
I don't care.
I don't like bracing mine.
I don't care.
You're better at it.
Bracing the 16 inch and all. See,
I'll
I'm
take.
done first.
No, I was already done. Oh crap. Ah! Okay, so at this point, I have to, okay, I didn't think when I assembled this jig, and that's not going to slide off that way, so I'm going to have to, alright, let's disengage the motor stick here, very carefully. Hold on a second, this one's, okay. very gentle that it doesn't pop up when you get it out. There you go, perfect. Okay,
I'm gonna
yeah.
take another stick out.
Watch that it doesn't snag when it comes to the other side. Okay, so this crossbar we can just twist off because it's hot glued on. The problem was I got impatient and I pinned the others when I started having to reposition them. This one will come off. Maybe. This, ah!
We forgot to cut this one.
Okay, do that. Here, I'll take the. I'll just stick another stick in there. It'll be fine. I'll just leave the stick in there. Okay, I should now be able to slide this out enough. Watch the. I have a different idea. Let's try this. Or maybe not. Ooh, that was like the worst thing I could have done. This one we gotta be careful of because it's inside of the outer bracing loop. So watch out that you're sticking your hand over a wire. Alright, try lifting up the whole piece. No, both hands in here like this. Is that a little too tight? Okay, there you go. Slowly, slowly. Okay. You do the honors, you pick it up by the neck, real gentle way. No, there you go, that works. Now that is perfect. Wow. Alright, let me see this real quick. So what you want to see when your plane is braced is that you can jiggle it up and down like this fairly hard. And the only thing that's flexing are the ribs. That is about as perfectly braced a wing as you will ever see anywhere. That's as good as Jim Richmond's bracing.
I took that as a compliment.
Should. Just to clarify everything here. Go in there. Why am I doing this? Why am I trying to tangle the bracing up in the light in the ceiling fan? There you go. That is some kind of incredible. Okay, that should end that segment.